The installation of EasyDCIM is quick and completely trouble-free, as most processes are performed automatically. You can move forward with the installation process as soon as you purchase the EasyDCIM license. Get started by setting up a server that has one of the compatible operating systems installed. The full list of supported operating systems, along with other setup recommendations, can be found in our documentation in the Requirements section. Once the server has been prepared, log in as a super user via SSH. Next, run the wget command provided in the installation section of our documentation to download the installer. Use another bash command to run the script. Remember to add the key parameter at the end of the command and paste your license key there. It can be found in your client area under the Licenses tab. That's all you need to know for starters. The installation will guide you through the whole process, which should take about 15 minutes. After the installation has been successfully carried out, the System Administrator account will be created for you. A username and password will be generated automatically, and later on displayed in the installation summary in the console along with the URL to admin area. Use these details to log in to EasyDCIM. Before you put EasyDCIM into action, please set the SSH connection under General Settings, as it's required for the system to operate correctly. It's thanks to SSH connection that EasyDCIM will be able to execute all the appropriate scripts from the application level. Well done! Your EasyDCIM is already up and ready to use. What are the next steps? Simply move to the inventory and start creating your items net. You'll learn more details about the inventory management from the next Get Started video.